got about 350 to 400 users using Alfresco Share. When we were choosing the platform or really vetting out the different requirements, frankly, we had to find something that was cost effective. We had to find something that was extensible, something that had a pretty good partner landscape as well that we could add on to. We were looking for something. We liked the open source approach, and we liked the value add that Alfresco provided. From an IT department standpoint, we felt like this provided us with the opportunity to really get one repository of all business documents. We've migrated them from a former File Explorer based approach to now a web-based document management approach. And on top of that, in parallel, we've tackled various business use cases where we've begun to implement Alfresco Workdesk as well. Workdesk really provided really the business role-oriented approach where we could actually get role-based access to documents. And it provided a better interface as far as we were concerned with Microsoft Office products and being able to work with Office documents, which frankly is about 75% of the documents that our end users are using. Taking charge of really the deployment and the communication strategy was very helpful. And the fact that we could deploy it and rely a little more heavily on our partners rather than simply having to staff in-house to manage it was a very good, for us, it was a good sell. At this point, we essentially are running what we consider an on-premise cloud. So we are hosting everything in our data center behind our firewall, but we're allowing our staff to access that data from the cloud, essentially, from the internet. As far as user adoption goes at the tour, we from an IT perspective, we're pushing this change across the organization. We picked one particular department that was a little more mobile, had staff at headquarters, and then also had a mobile workforce that wanted to really get to where they could use their documents on their iPad. I foresee the mobility aspect becoming a lot, really the big change factor, if you will. We're already seeing a lot more people trying to do work on tablets and even phones to a certain degree. And I think as it becomes easier to access documents, access software, it becomes easier and easier to get mobile devices. As all these things start to really permeate the user base, whether it's enterprise technology or consumer technology, I really see that you're going to see a lot